So this is a tutorial for Galveston Bay Action Network app, and right now what we see is the desktop version. And as you can see, we automatically zoom into the Galveston Bay, and you can see that the points here, when you click on them, they show the individual incidents. So how these end up is through people who log in either as one of the admins or as a guest to add these reports. So very basically, you have these menu here. You can turn on and off the categories, and only the ones that have data in them will show. And then here in the bottom layers, you can toggle the city boundaries button to view the city boundaries in case you're not sure where the incidents belong to. Okay. And then you have these three buttons at the top. The leftmost one is My Location. This gets you to the location of your GPS. So it makes more sense on a mobile device, but if your computer has the location enabled, it's gonna bring you to there. And Map Center is it just zooms out to the initial map center. And Find Address lets you look up places. So you can go to that place directly. So if you're looking for a specific address, you can just type it in there and click on Find, and it will automatically goes there. Okay, and then there's the filters. Filters let you narrow down the results that you see on the map. So if you click on these, we can see, if you click on More, that gets you to the detail page, and that's where you can really see that incident title is test, pollution type is abandoned vessel, and all of these data. So you can use any of these to filter down using this filter menu. So if you were to select boat sewage and fish kill maybe, and click on apply filters at the bottom, it's going to only leave you with those. And you can do this with more than one filter. You can, for example, let's see. To get to this one, we might select boat sewage and all of these municipalities. Then apply filters, then it's going to leave you with the exact match. Okay. That was for the menus. And we have these two tabs at the top left. These are some additional information about the project. So about this project tab shows you just general overview of what the GBAN project is. And this, of course, is connected to the galbay.org website, so that it's directly maintained by the Galveston Bay crew. And writing a report, the same thing, except it's more of a help file that goes over what I'm just basically describing right now. And then the initial view that we saw was the map view, and there is an alternate list view that you can click on and see these as a continuous list. And to get to each point, you just click on Item Details on the left, and this will show you the points. And as you can see, in addition to these information that's been uploaded, it gives you a nice little Google Maps snippet of the street view. So unless it's like in the ocean or something, you're going to be able to get a glimpse of what the place looks like. And the pictures that's been uploaded can be viewed by clicking on them, and if there were many of them, you'll be able to. There will be a button that through which you can navigate. So that's sort of about how to view the map. Now I'm going to go through how you would log in to add a point. You can do that either by signing up or by logging in as a one-time guest. I know that I think the GBAN encourages sign-ups so that we can have more of a continuous sort of like a user base. So if you want to do that, you can click on sign up and fill in these, and then when you've signed up, you'll automatically be able to add points by logging in with your email address and then your password. Or you can, if you're looking to do like a one-time survey, you can click on login as one-time guest, and you can see that you've now been logged in, and there's this new report pollution button. Click on that. There's this little guide on how to do this. Click on a map at desired location, which means find where you are. Now you can do that with your location button, or you can actually go to an address. Since we're doing this on a desktop right now, it would the scenario would usually be that you already have a place in mind and you're looking for that place instead of you being in the field. So you can navigate to that place, then click on desired location, captures it, and then add title of the incident, maybe a trash, that's sample trash, and pollution type would be trash and debris, and municipality. You're gonna have to, if you don't know where the municipality is, you can turn on that city boundaries again to sort of see which of the titles would be appropriate. I'm not familiar with the geography, but I think Deer Park is correct for that location. And the date of incident, it's automatically captured to the day. You can change that. Time of incident, same thing. And description, you're supposed to sort of describe what the crash, what the situation looks like, so it'd be more helpful. And we have this contact information section. It's optional, but it's when you fill it out, it makes the reports that much more useful, and it makes municipalities getting back to you when they've done something about the report that much easier. So it's always a good idea to fill these in. And if you have a video, right now you can't directly upload it onto GBAN app, but you can, if you have it on YouTube or any other place in the internet that you can link to, you can have a title that says my video, and then link it to something like this, and it will show up as a link. And if you click on choose photos, let's see. You can select a picture, and it will automatically upload it, and you'll see it in the bottom. So that's the survey part. You click on submit. It says your report has been successfully submitted, and let's see here. We go back to Deer Park. We can see that my point has been uploaded. I cannot edit or delete the data unless you are the person who reported it. So if you sign up using your own profile, that's going to mean that you're always going to be able to make edits to that point. And that's about it for the user part when it comes to using it on a desktop.